Now, let's begin. Podcast Episode 1. Greetings and Introduction. Hello. How are you? Introduction. Hello. Welcome to Fluent Ears. This is Episode 1. Today, we will learn greetings and introductions. I will speak slowly and clearly. You will listen and repeat after me. We will practice together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Greetings. Let's start with basic greetings. Listen and repeat. Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Now, let's practice a conversation. Hello. Hi. Let's try another one. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. And you? I'm good, thanks. Great job. Asking how are you? When someone asks, how are you? You can say, I'm fine, thank you. I'm good. I'm great. I'm not so good. Let's practice. Hi. How are you? Your turn. Well done. Introducing yourself. Let's learn how to say your name. Listen and repeat. My name is Fluent Ears. I am Fluent Ears. Now, you try. Great. Let's practice a conversation. Hello. My name is Fluent Ears. What's your name? Your turn. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Excellent. Where are you from? Now, let's learn how to say where you are from. Listen and repeat. I am from India. I come from India. I live in Delhi. Now, your turn. Let's practice a conversation. Hi. My name is Fluent Ears. Where are you from? Your turn. Oh, that's great. Well done. Simple questions. Let's learn some common questions. Listen and repeat. What is your name? Where are you from? How are you? How old are you? What do you do? Now, let's practice answering. What is your name? Your turn. My name is. Where are you from? Your turn. I am from. Great job. Role play 1. Two people meeting for the first time. Now, let's listen to a simple role play.
Hello. My name is David. What's your name?
Hi. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Where are you from?
I am from India. What about you?
I am from England.
Oh, that's nice.
How are you today?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Now, let's do it again. This time, you say Sarah's lines. Ready? Great job. Role play 2, meeting a friend. Now, let's listen to a short conversation between two friends.
Hi, Mark. How are you?
Hi, John. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good too.
That's great. Where are you going?
I'm going to the park.
Oh, nice. Have a good day.
Thank you. See you later.
See you.
Now, let's practice together. You will say John's lines. Ready? Well done. Practice time. Let's practice everything we learned today. Say hello to me. Ask me how I am. Introduce yourself. Say your name. Tell me where you are from. Well done. Conclusion and homework. That's all for today's episode. You did a great job. Today, we learned greetings, hello, hi, good morning. How to introduce yourself. My name is. How to ask and answer simple questions. Where are you from? Short conversations. Now, here is your homework. Practice introducing yourself in English. Listen to this episode again and repeat the sentences. Try speaking with a friend or family member. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe to my podcast and follow me for more English lessons. See you next time. Goodbye.